This year, 2025, is still very young for planning for your personal growth, planning for your professional growth. I'm talking here about holistic well-being, taking into consideration your spirituality, your emotional status, your physical wellness, and your mental awareness. Learnwithjoes LLC offers you specialized, tailored coaching. You follow the presentation that is rolling down and check the one that fits you. We want to help you. We are here for us to work together. We are here for you to unlock your transformation in this new year. It's not late. Start your registration today. You're welcome.